Hello. I just woke up. Good morning. We are going out today. Mga dumi sa Lasang. And ako'y project na himuon, no? Nakita na ko sa Pinterest and kuan siya, kanang sanga siya na ibutang nimo sa imo siyang panitan dahil butangan nimo siya og varnish. Unya pagkahuman ibutang nimo basta ipakita na ko siya, no, kay maglisod dag explain. So si uncle na mukaw siya og sayo kay manginom na kog kape. Kay mga to na no. Unya maligo sa ko og una, unya mga to na dayon ta. Nagligid-ligid pa ko kay namati pa ko handumanan sa usa ka awit. Man ako ligo, no. So, mamrobak na sa atong nawong. Kay, kuan, may na lang, no? Il Nino kayo siya, so kinahanglan na to siya og plus. Dagan kayo, bay. Okay. Plus ra na siya, no? Mura na siya og Clorox. Nagini pag-asa akong mga, sus, kaya na bitong, akong kilay, oh, grabe na dyan. So, wag gid na ako nakita nang akong unsay tawagan na kanang pang ana bitaw. Nakalimot ko gasan ako gibutang. So magkimpit-kimpit na lang ta sa atong mga kuan beautiful eyes. Gayati. Piskot. Aw. Da, abi pa lang way pilok. Kinsa na pilok pareha sa ako aoy kana bitong nagtugsoy ra bitaw ingana Lagot kaayo. Na, may na lang ng 5 ka pilok ni bawg-bawg pa siya gamay. Ay, piskot. Sa dihang. Sama na. Uy! Asa man na yun? Hindi ka ba di pwede tilapan? What's ha? Ay. Medya sa gini ang cool, no? Ano na? Hilain na gini akong pilok ba kay? Duha, beto kay na ay siya. Na siya duha ka long hair. Ano siya tawagan ng hair sa kuan, pilok. Gani, bulo ka. Uy, lashes mo good, no? Di mo gud matawag og long hair. Man na. Ay, ni agi jud po sa babaw. Ay, di nakalimot ko no nga di ta pwede magtilap-tilap kay naata sa camera. Hindi, mao naman si Garnish. Bisa kay makita ninyo akong ngipon nga 1 set apart. Unsa ni siya piki lagi ni akong unsay tawag ani mascara kay di siya moagi bay. Ano naman si Pina siya. Guwapa na ko eh. Dayon. Putol baya po ni siya. Kinahanglan ako na siya idot-dot. Bebe! I'm done. Ha? Ano sa daw? Mana? Kasabang ko ni uncle, no? Kay ipa-dry gani ang akong buhok, no? Kay magsakit ko, no? Kay kuan. Kaya mo to anak. Kapag dili dry mo hang buhok, masakit kapag magawas ka kay tugnaw daw magbugnawan akong brain cells. Not good, dili maayo. Kani akong buhok man good, musugot ra siya og maura gid ni iyang porma, no? Musugot na siya kay ngana pag kuan kay wala koy sudlay. Na ako'y sudlay pero occasional ra na siya gamiton pag kanang usay tabangan ko ni uncle og kanang kuan kanang mag-dry sa akong buhok. O ay hara dayon na siya, ay hara na siya tanawa galing na siya nga video. Inga na siya mag-dry siya sa akong buhok. Tabangan ko niya kay dili ko tapulan kay kung mag-dry. Kay sakitan man gud ko ba. Mo na dili ko manudlay nya masuko si uncle kay kinahanglan daw dry ang buhok. Unya kay sige kay wala man tay sudlay. Usahay nga na siya no mo straight ra na siya kaya ha. Magbuot-buot. Ngano ni si uncle. Unsa to na yung gikatawan ngano na siya. Butan kayo si uncle kaya akong gi-downloadan og kuan kanang material sa eskwelahan ba. Kaya ma-bright ko no ko. Mga to no tanami no. Nya wala jud daw nahitabo nga nag-dry ko og buhok kay wala naman siya nag-ingon. So ana ra na siya. Tara si uncle oh. Kiss me ba? Yak. Hugaw kayo mong balay actually. Hugaw kayo siya. Pero, ingon man ni uncle nga, mag-leave ko no mi nga malipay ko no mi. So, dili na lang sa mi manglimpyo no. Kaya dili man mi malipay ko manglimpyo. So, ang iyang gusto ka maglaglaag mi kay pag weekend, day off na niya pag weekend. So, ang gusto niya maglarlar mi. Larlar ba? Maglarlar.
Maglarlar is the alien.
kung manglimpyo ko diri sa balay, dapat kanarang kuan kanang weekdays, dili pag weekend. Kay pag weekend, wala man siya trabaho. Dayon pag wala siya trabaho, gusto siya nga mag-uban mi mas mo prefer si Uncle Manggod pag kanang kuan, pag instead nga ngano ko nung magbuhi-buhi sa kalibutan no, nga magsigir ra kuno kog panglimpyo. So ang iyang gusto pag day off niya, dapat manggawas mi kay para naa daw may time mag-date-date. Isn't it right, bebe?
It's true, yes. I know exactly what you mean.
Mag-date mi sa Lasang. So, muna siya nga kada mag-weekend, pag mag-day off mi, either mangisda mi or magbaktas-baktas mi sa mga lasang, no? So, ugma Sunday na amay ka ng haling-haling diri ka ng sumpa nila sa mga wakwak ba maghaling sila. How?
Midsummer Festival.
And
It's the longest day in the year.
but isn't it like burning the witches or something?
There's the old tradition. They will say they make a fire and they put the witches on it, and witches will fly to Blocksbjerg.
It is actually it is a celebration here in Denmark. Like not a celebration but kind of like tradition. They do that every midsummer. Tanawa galay mo balay dagan jud kayo og bitay-bitay ba na pay bike ni Uncle sus mas palangga pa na niya kaysa kuha. But the thing with us is we never really date out like the typical couple. Like they would go out and have a date in cinemas and like cafes or something like that. Don't buy ice. No. But we usually go out for like to fish or just walk in the forest or something like that. Mamunit og lata ana. Baby. So yeah, we are going out. It's going to help me find some branches of the tree because of the project that I want to try and see if it works. See if it would look nice. Yeah, I want to try that one and he's going to help me. I think I'm going to look for
I
two.
still don't know what it is she's going to make.
What?
I still don't know what you're going to make. Honestly, I don't know what you're going to make. Put up some wood in the house, like you're gonna have a piece of wood standing in the house. I don't understand it.
Basta, I cannot explain it. So it's kind of like
Vegetables?
yeah.
You're gonna eat them?
Baby, why you
broccoli
cannot
and
understand
cucumber?
me? It's
But
not
what
like
kind
that.
of vegetables?
Samo!
What do you mean vegetables? You're gonna eat them?
Nah, you will plant ba? You will plant a vegetable, baby. Plant it, put it in a pot and then put it and grow it.
What does that have to do with the wood?
Because I will hang it in the wood bar.
In a pot that hangs
Yeah.
instead of standing.
Yeah, because we don't have so much space for all
Can I
this.
see a picture?
Wala siya salig sa ako about sa
It's
mukha.
I'm imagining like wooden construction with hanging pots. Ow!
Don't
I don't
ba?
understand. Let me see picture.
No! Don't have to see picture. Just trust me.
Okay. So I can better understand what kind of wood you need.
Just some wood that has like this, like that, like that.
Is it better we go to Silvan maybe? He also has
Uy, naa siya ipagduda. Naa siya ipagduda. Going now, no? Unsa man?
You should use the yogurt instead of that orange soap.
Ay,
Yogurt will make
bebe.
it white.
Serious. No. Dili maguna siya ganahan, no? Pag kanap itong magsabon bitaw ka, o kanap itong mga kapayas, unsa na siya? Yeah. Dili na siya ganahan ka na kasulat nga whitening, sabon, or something, ana, no? Dili na siya ganahan, no? Na siya nalipay. Kunya, kay na ako ingon na, ana, papaya ba?
It's the same in Arabic.
What?
Sabon.
Sabon?
Yeah.
Na ako yung sabon nga papaya, ng whitening niya, wala na siya nalipay, iya daw ilabay. Kaya nga no daw magpaputi daw, no? Nagwapa naman good ko. Ah! Baby, I look beautiful in your eyes.
Yo.
Baby, you answer me ba?
Yes, you look very beautiful. I tell you every day.
No.
You forget already? I told you this morning.
Where are we going?
To Konhala?
Why?
To get...
No, we get it in that Gonhala. I don't want to go in that Gonhala. There is so very
No, but there was
warm.
also something else we should have, wasn't there?
What?
I don't know.
Taik mo yan. Kunden der. Altså, måske sådan nogle snacks. Det var fordi, der er meget træt der, og jeg kan ikke holde bilen.
Yeah, I know.
Limanding kay kuno marag ako ning car. Kang uncle jud ning car, no? Okay sa tanong, kay nakalabay ko kay okayan diri tag 20 ra bay. Bakit?
Okay.
Ano ko ani oh? Tag 20 lang siya. Sulod na sulod. Daghan siya mga siya mga CD, DVD. Ang libro. Leather jacket for Manong because he's a policeman. Oh, that looks so stupid. 20 ra siya bay. Just got us some hot dog.
Get a little snack.
Mm-hmm.
It's a long time before I meet you. And I do have taxation time.
It's so popular, this one here in Denmark. Like the bread has a hole, and then they stick. No, they put some kind of mayonnaise, like or ketchup, or what is that other one? The yellow one.
Spicy mayonnaise.
The yellow one.
Yes, hot dog dressing.
Yeah, and then they stick the hot dogs in there, and it tastes good. I actually been to 3 shops and bought a lot of snacks, and now finally we're going to drive to the forest already. Nag-jacket na ko kay gitugnaw ko. Dugay pa kayo, ilayo pa kayo ba? Di ba pwede ni siya saladon? Or basig di ni Mao? Mao ba kahanin no? Eh, gusto ko manguha ba? Saladon. Pero basig purgan eh. Yay! It looks nice, baby.
Yeah.
Should we make fire?
Would you like to?
Yeah.
Okay, baby.
It's a big lake, this one. Can you fish here? Nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
There's a little bit clouds here and there, but it's actually like... it's not that clear today, but... Hi! Buang this man also. Bebe, somebody is coming. Seriously, hide your balls. Bebe, if we make fire, then there's not so much mosquito.
No, that's true.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Yeah, then okay. Pangahoy.
Small firewood.
No, yeah, you get small ones, then I will make fire. But look at these. It's like they even have this one where you could just stop, and if you want to have lunch and grill something, make fire. I don't know. You can just do whatever. And there's a lot of benches here, like tables. I love their forest here because if you decide to take a walk, or use your mountain bike or something, then you could just come and stop by, have some lunch, make some fire. And you know, the thing here is like you can make fire because they already put like firewood here, so you don't even have to look for them. Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah.
I like them. Yay, success! And this one, you just have to turn these. So, if you want to grill something, you can just have it like this.
Yeah.
And then you can already make food. Oh,
Oh, I get tinnitus.
I'm sorry. Mana. Look at the roof. Oy. Try to see how this like cottage is built.
It's really nice.
Yeah, I really love it. Like one day I want to make like this in the Philippines. Ako ano ni siya maragtambayan bitaw pag mag-lunch or something, pag naay mag-hike or something, ani lang ni siya. Pero naiingon ani pod same structure. Ingani siya mura siyag ani. Ana ang iyahang porma dayon ang diri mura siyag buslot. Buslot siya diri sa tunga for kana murag exhaust niya bali. But ang akong gusto is ingana siya og porma, then butangan ako siya dingding, then salog dayon. I don't think ingana siya kamahal, no? Pero syempre mahal naman ang Pilipinas karon, so basig mahal na pud siya, no? Pero gusto jud kay ko ba? Maggudgud gyud ko ba nat kay gusto ko mag-build og ingon ani nga balay sa Pilipinas. Lami kayo siya nga balay oy. Ako ni siyang videohon na niya, i-explain ako sa akong inahan ba nga si Irma. Ignon ako si Irma nga ingani niya paghimo.
Pansies, I just want to be sure.
Stop ba?
No.
Stop ba? Nasikon ta karon pagtarong ba? Ay. Sometimes you just really forget that you're big also. Yeah, I will show you what we were having when we were walking. It's this one. I will show you. It's this one. Stop moving ba, uy!
I'm trying to get some. Where did they go? Ah, he's in there. There's a...
It's good.
I only had 2. The fire is going out.
Put some wood. Our fire is still burning. I'm actually sleepy. Like, I want to lay here on the table and just sleep.
I'm just lay down.
Yeah, but then you hold me. People might not understand. Why are they making this fire when it's not even cold? But I'm actually freezing. Uy, na yung mga angkol nga lami. Uy, na yung mga angkol nga lami. Actually, wala may nakakuha sa among toyo sa Lasang. We just actually checked kung na ako'y makita, no? Pero wala ko'y nakita bisag isa. So, yan, nanguli na lang mi, no? Igo rami na ito naglaag-laag. Dahil ni kaon. Maura. Pero karon naghulat ko kang uncle kina siya gihapitan before may manguli. Actually, this is our typical weekends. We go out, we drive somewhere far, and either we fish or we just find shelter or sipa-sipa og mga bato sa Lasang. Basta ingon ana lang, simple raman kay ang among mga date kay walay kuan gamit kwarta. Kuan lang gasolina ra. So, okay na siya. Bisan tulog maglaag me every weekend, but we don't really use so much money. Kuan lang, we just buy some food so we could have something pag naanami sa Lasang or and gasolina. That's all. Wala nilain. That's all we spend for. Because I feel like if we will go out somewhere in the city, you tend to spend so much more pag naamo sa mga mall, mag-date-date sa kanang mga kaon-kaon dito sa gawas. Murag mahal kay siya para sa kuha, and I don't really enjoy it because I get so bothered with the people around. So, yeah, we both prefer to just go in the forest and spend our whole day there. Sometimes we don't go out at all. It depends with the weather. So, yeah, right now I'm just here in the car waiting, but I think after we are going to go home already.